everyone and welcome to Owen's kitchen. Today I'm going to make Paneer Tikka Masala. This is a delicious vegetarian recipe and slightly spicy flavor with creamy texture. So let's get started. Here I have 250 grams of paneer cheese. Cut them into cubes. This paneer should be firm so that it doesn't crumble easily. First, I'm going to marinate, adding 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of tikka masala, half teaspoon of paprika, quarter teaspoon of coriander powder, quarter teaspoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric, quarter teaspoon of cumin powder, quarter teaspoon of onion powder, quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, some black pepper, some salt. Mix everything. Then add cheese into the bowl. I'm going to mix it up well so that all the paneer is coated with the spices. I also add in bell peppers and onions. These are cut them into medium chunks. Here I got orange, yellow and red bell peppers. Pop that straight right into the bowl. Mix all together. Now I'm going to put this in the fridge. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes or more, even better. These ingredients I'm going to use for the sauce: finely chopped big onion, 1 red chili, remove all the seeds, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of minced ginger. Ground spices for the masala curry. Check the list here. Here 400 grams of tomatoes I have made into a paste in a blender. I'm going to use 1 cup of chicken stock, or you can use vegetable stock or some water. It's totally up to you. Now ready to start cooking. Add in 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil into the pan. When the oil is hot, add half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Fry them about 10 to 15 seconds. Then add garlic and ginger. Fry them about 20 seconds. Now chilies and onions. Stir and fry them till they soften. This will take about 5 to 6 minutes. Now I'm ready to add ground spices. Fry them about 10 to 20 seconds until get nice toasted spice smell. Make sure it doesn't burn. Now tomatoes. Just give that a good stir and mix with the spices together. Add in 1 tablespoon of tomato puree. Keep stirring till they get thick paste. Now I'm going to add chicken stock. If you want to, you can add some water. It's absolutely fine. Stir and bring this to boil. Put the lid on, cook for about 8 to 10 minutes or until the sauce has thickened and let the flavor develop. Now I move on to the next step, adding a little bit of oil into the pan. When the oil gets hot, add seasoned paneer in a single layer. And let this cook for about 2 minutes first side. Now transfer them. Into the same pan, add bell peppers and onions. Fry them about 4 to 5 minutes. This sauce thicken up beautifully. Now add in 4 tablespoons of cream. If you want to, you can add more or less cream into your sauce. Stir them around for a bit. Looks wonderful, and give it a taste at this point. Needs a little bit of salt. The sauce really good and has lots of flavor. Now return the cooked paneer and peppers. Pop them straight into the sauce. I am going to give a good stir around and continue to cook for another 5 to 6 minutes. This is almost ready. Just taste the sauce again. This is really good and so delicious. Now turn off the heat. Just leave it for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Longer it sits, the better it tastes. Now ready to serve. You can serve with some rice, naan, chapati, bread, anything you like. And make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and remember to click the bell icon as well, and you will be notified when I upload the new recipe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.